na iyon. Bukas yung crime lab, Pastoro, check no sa bus, trying to look for any and all leads that will help us in solving this crime.
No leads yet.
At this time, the lot of speculation. What I ordered is also a reassessment of all of the intelligence that somehow related, connected with this. The evaluation, if it's still valid or not, yung mga reports na umabot sa akin.
Sir, ito na ba sir yung reports last year na kasama yung Manila as target of the national terrorist group?
Kung naalala niyo, umikot nun, mall ang tinatarget. So dito, yung leads are being developed. Yeah. Anything we say at this point in time by anybody is pure speculation. Yung speculation might cloud the investigation process. So I'm very careful to ensure that we are not pointing to a specific theory, to a specific group, or to what the motivation was. There is no basis to make any claims at this point.
Last question.
Wala na yata?
Last question.
Wala na?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.